There is a dirty secret inside every Power BI project. Most analysts spend more time fighting DAX than they do using it. A single misplaced bracket or misunderstood context transition can turn a straightforward business question into a 3-hour debugging session. In 2026, that frustration is no longer necessary. DAX's core complexity comes from filter context, the invisible layer that determines row evaluation. Understanding it used to take months. In 2026, AI has short-circuited that entire process. Describe your business question in plain English. Receive a working formula with a full explanation of exactly why it works. The quality depends on the quality of your prompt. Use this 4-part framework every time. Part 1. Table structure. Name your key tables and relationships, like sales and date tables. Part 2. Business question. Describe what you want in plain English. For example, I want total sales for the same period last year. Part 3. Expected output. Tell it where the measure will be used, like in a card visual filtered by a date slicer. Part 4. Explain request. Ask it to explain every function used. This is how AI teaches you DAX while it writes it. Here are the most powerful prompts. Prompt 1. Year-to-date sales. Prompt 2. Same period last year. The formula most analysts get wrong. Prompt 3. Month-over-month percentage. Prompt 4. Running total. Get AI to explain how filter and all work together in real time. Prompt 5. DAX debugger. Paste your broken measure. AI pinpoints whether the issue is in the formula or the data model itself. 3 DAX mistakes AI catches instantly. Mistake 1. Confusing row and filter context. This is the top source of wrong results. Mistake 2. Using SUMX when some will do. On 5 million rows, that turns a 1-second query into a 10-second wait. Mistake 3. The blank trap. Often the formula is correct, but a broken relationship is filtering out every matching row. One rule overrides everything. Never paste real data into an external AI tool. Use placeholder names like sales, revenue, instead of real figures. For teams using Microsoft Copilot natively inside Power BI, the privacy is stronger. Operating within your Microsoft 365 security boundary. DAX is the gateway to being a Power BI analyst. AI has turned that gateway into an open door for learning acceleration. Start with prompt 9, the calculate explicable. 5 minutes with an AI tutor gives more clarity than 5 hours of documentation. The full library is linked in the description. Like and subscribe to AI Buzz. We make Power BI and AI simple. See you next time.